My name's Pete. I learned to trade roughly around 4 months back now. So I saw Greg Secker speak out in Sydney at a convention one day, and I just liked what I saw, and from there my journey began. Yeah, so in terms of the support, the coaching, it's been fantastic. You know, it's actually a lot more than what I expected. And so far I'm starting to see some really good results come through off the back of that. So really impressed and enjoying my journey so far. Probably my big wins, I did a quick profits masterclass day into just over 10% in the day. So that was a really big win for myself. So for anyone that's considering trading, you're never going to go unless you give it a go. And like anything you've been successful at in your life, you do need to put in the time to allow yourself to make the mistakes, to learn those lessons. We all learn at different paces. You know, remove the pressure you put on yourself and give yourself time, like anything else that you've done successfully in your life, to make it happen.